Right now at 6, expect delays. Construction on the Newport Pell Bridge began just a little while ago. This is actually stepped up construction. The crews are installing the new median barriers right in the middle of the span.
So, Gene, for the next week, the two centered lanes on the bridge will be closed.
This has been going on for a while, but now it's being stepped up. NBC 10 Sierra Putman is live in Newport. More on that. Sierra.
Well, any minute now they're going to close down those two center lanes. If you take a look over here, you'll see traffic isn't backed up just yet, but expect some delays, says Ritva, now that they're working on these medians. Traffic was backed up on the Newport Bridge Monday morning, and it's only going to get worse now that the Rhode Island Turnpike and Bridge Authority is beginning to put these new medians in place.
So that's the big difference that you'll see. We've been working on the anchorages on either end of the bridge for the past 3 weeks. Tonight you actually get to see the progress of putting these median barriers in place.
The barriers are going to help prevent cross-lane accidents. Eric Offenberg is Ritzva's Director of Engineering and says the barriers will help prevent accidents and make it easier for future construction projects.
If the car hits the side of this whole barrier will move a little bit and absorb that energy.
The barriers cost $6 million and add an additional 5 million pounds to the famous Newport Pell Bridge. If you look closely, you'll notice they're not the typical Jersey barriers.
This is actually a zipper style barrier. This barrier is not embedded into the deck. It's anchored on either end of the bridge and it's movable.
Ritva says traffic on the bridge will be most backed up during the morning and evening commutes. It's just going to be one-way traffic on both lanes?
Correct. We're going to have both center lanes of the bridge shut down, and that'll be all week long. So throughout this entire week, there'll be one lane of traffic in either direction. We're telling commuters to try and leave a little earlier or leave a little bit later. Please be patient with us. This is a huge safety project. We're trying to get it done as quickly and as safely as we can.
And Ritva says this entire project should wrap up by mid-May, if not the end of May, so right before the summer is in full screen. Reporting live in Newport, Sierra Putman, NBC 10 News.